In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Relevance AI. We'll walk through the exact flow for turning your AI tools into revenue, from getting your project ready to going live, pricing it, and selling it to businesses. First, head to Relevance AI in your browser. Once you're in, you'll see options for building and managing AI tools. This is your launchpad. Take a moment to verify you're in the right workspace and that you can access the tool you plan to monetize. If you have multiple tools, decide which one delivers a clear, measurable outcome. Think summarizing documents, qualifying leads, or automating routine data tasks. Next, open the specific tool you want to publish. Before you move forward, give it a quick quality check. Make sure the inputs are simple, the outputs are clear, and example prompts or sample data are included so users can understand how it works. Add a concise description that explains who it's for, what it does, and what result it produces. The easier it is to grasp, the easier it is to sell. When you're confident it's ready, click Publish. This takes you to the setup for turning your tool into a shareable product. Fill in the title, description, tags, and any branding elements that help it stand out. If there are usage limits or optional parameters, set them now so customers have a smooth experience. Preview the public page to confirm everything looks clean and professional. Then click Live. This makes your tool accessible via a public link or embed, depending on your settings. Test the live version end to end, submit an example input, check the output, and review any logs or analytics to ensure performance is consistent. Save the live link for your marketing and sales outreach. Let's talk pricing. A straightforward structure is a one-time setup fee of $300 to $1,500 plus $100 to $500 per month for maintenance. The setup fee typically covers customization, integration, and onboarding. The monthly fee covers monitoring, prompt updates, minor improvements, and support. Anchor your price to business value, time saved, errors reduced, or revenue gained, and define what's included so expectations are clear. Finally, sell internal automation to businesses. Focus on repetitive, time-consuming workflows like reporting, data cleanup, content drafting, or customer support triage. Lead with outcomes, faster turnaround, fewer manual steps, and consistent quality. Offer a short pilot with a clear success metric, such as hours saved per week. Once it proves value, roll into a monthly agreement and provide a simple report each month showing usage and impact. This closes the loop and keeps clients subscribed.